Hello, today the topic of discussion is Venturi effect. Coming to the introduction of Venturi effect, entertainment of air from the surrounding due to the fall in pressure at the point of construction is known as Venturi effect. A different definition to introduce is Venturi effect. Describe a reduction in fluid pressure that occurs when a fluid flows through a construction section of a pipe, leading to an increase in velocity. Historical background. Named after Italian physicist named Giovanni Battista Venturi, 1746 to 1822, who first documented this phenomena in 1797. So here is a diagram of Venturi effect which describes how this work out. So here is a diagram A1, V1 and P1. A1 is air, V1 is volume and P1 is pressure. And as we see the narrow surface A2, there are point dotted point where figured as 2, and expansion point of the air A2, V2, P2 and the pressure. And also we see the height at the cylinder or vacuum in it. So it's described as we enter up air from one cylinder, one opening, and the viscosity, the pressure is at the starting point is high or increases. But as they consider that cylinder narrows apart through a certain surface, the narrow part, the pressure point is decreases. Due to this narrow surface, the pressure that expels from the area, the A2, the viscosity V2 and P pressure 2 is increases due to this height, due to this narrow surface, due to the pressure point in the atmosphere. As we see in a diagram, this is the statement of this explained diagram statement. When a rise in viscosity at a construction is so high that its fluid lateral pressure may fall below atmospheric pressures become negative. If there is an open tube distal to the construction, this negative pressures pull another fluid into the primary fluid entertainment. Entertainment ratio equals to entertained flow or driving flow. Application of Venturi effect. In a nebulizer, gas as a driving fluid entered by the certain tube entertain liquid from a side tube and break into small droplet suitable for inhaling. As we see in a diagram, that a small fluid which have some water molecules or any infection gases that enter from a narrow tube that inhale human and which is inhalable, suitable for that person that inhale its soft air which can easily inhaled by that person, and therefore is beneficial. And this, as we all see in these diagrams. Use of Venturi's principle. The several use of Venturi's application is in medical use. It fixed percentage of oxygen delivering system, jet ventilators, modern vaporizers, nebulization chambers, and suction apparatus. It also has non-medical use, spraying perfumes and paints, sand blasters, foam-free extinguishers, petrol carburetors. Thank you so much for watching this video, and for any question, for any query, just comment below and have a good day.